Hi friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I am fine. In the previous video, we learned what is a sentence. So in this video, we will learn types of sentences. You didn't watch the previous video, so I give you link in the description box. So first, watch this video. So let's start now. Types of sentences. There are four main types of sentences. In the English language, there are four main types of sentences. Four main types of sentence. First, declarative or assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third number, imperative sentence. And the last is exclamatory sentence. So, we will learn one by one. Assertive or declarative sentence. Definition of assertive sentence is a sentence that states or declares something is called assertive sentence. Means you are saying someone to any sentence is called assertive sentence. You note down this definition in your notebook. Declarative sentences start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. When you are writing declarative sentence, you note down first letter, start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. It tells information about anything: books, people, facts, beliefs, opinion, history, events. Means giving opinions to anyone. That's time you use assertive sentence. So we will learn some examples. First, these are books. In this sentence, you are giving information about books. Second, I like a pizza. In this sentence, we are giving information about a like of pizza. In these sentences, first letter is a capital and end with a full stop. Second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Definition is a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Means you are asking question to any one person. That time you are using interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, also called a question. Interrogative sentences start with the WH word or helping verb and end with a question mark. When you are writing interrogative sentence, you start with a WH word or helping word and end with a question mark. So we learn some examples. First, who do knock the door? In this sentence, start with a WH word and end with a question mark. Second, is this your pen? This sentence, first word is a helping verb and end with a question mark. You make more examples. Next type of sentence is imperative sentence. Definition of imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses command, request or wish is called imperative sentence. When you request to your friend and wish to God, that's time you use imperative sentence. You note down this definition in your notebook. Imperative sentences start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. When you are writing imperative sentence, starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. In these sentences, the subject is always hidden. The hidden subject is always you. So let's learn some examples. First, shut the door. In this sentence is no subject. The hidden subject is you, means you shut the door. The next example is please give me a pencil. In this sentence, you are requesting to any one person. The last type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Definition of exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feelings are called exclamatory sentence. Means when we are afraid or happy, we express our strong feelings. That time we use exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences start with a capital letter and end with an exclamation mark. We use exclamation mark after a expression, sentence or word. Some examples about this type. First, hooray, we won the match. In this sentence, hooray is the expression word. That's after we use exclamation mark. Second, what is a surprise? When we are surprised, that time you use what is a surprise. That time we can make more examples about all types of sentences. If you have any doubt, so comments me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Okay, bye bye.